can I eat foods which use dyes from insects?
Eating of foods where we have like insects?
Insect dyes, yeah, the dyes for the food from insects. They're extracted from insects.
Okay. For example, like colors and etc.
Yeah.
It's a good question actually. So in Hanafi that's disliked, makruh, tahriman. But is it haram? No, it's not haram. But haram is, for example, pork, okay, or the animal which is slaughtered for the sake of idols, for example. Them things are haram. But these insects will be disliked. Or for example, we do have specific issue in Hanafi madhab. Let's suppose that you was cooking biryani, okay, if you like it, obviously. So then while you was cooking it, so some fly falls into it. So maybe a fly also likes it. So just to try to find out if there is enough spices or salt. So and then dies inside. Okay, so is it haram? We say no.